Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 beta from not launching or crashing on your PC. Whether your game keeps closing unexpectedly, won't start at all, or you just want a smoother experience, this simple step-by-step guide will help you get back into the action quickly. First, locate Battlefield 6 on your desktop, right-click it, and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, find the main Battlefield 6 application file, right-click it, and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program in compatibility mode, and set it to Windows 8. Then, check Disable Full-Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. Next, copy the file path of the game folder. Open your PC's search, type Graphics Settings, and select Add a Desktop App. Paste the path you copied, select Battlefield 6, then click on the game entry and set the GPU preference to High Performance. This ensures the game uses your dedicated graphics card, which can greatly reduce crashes and improve stability. Once you've done these steps, try launching Battlefield 6 again. The game should now run without crashing or failing to start. It's also a good idea to keep your graphics drivers updated, as that helps prevent future issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Battlefield 6 crashes and enjoy the beta smoothly. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to share it with a friend who might be having the same problem. Why not make their gaming experience better too?